What if the most sophisticated weapon on Earth wasn't forged in steel, but folded from protein? Your body is an extraordinary biological machine. Every heartbeat, every nerve impulse, every muscle contraction is orchestrated by molecular precision. But for millions of years, evolution has been designing something else. A chemical key, engineered to dismantle that precision in seconds. This is not just a bite. This is molecular warfare. Venom is not poison in the simple sense. It is a cocktail of biologically active molecules, mostly peptides, and proteins, designed with terrifying specificity. At the center of this system is protein folding. Proteins are chains of amino acids, but their power lies in how they fold. Through hydrogen bonds, disulfide bridges, and electrostatic interactions, a linear sequence becomes a three-dimensional structure, and that structure determines function. Venom toxins are evolutionary masterpieces of folding stability. Many are small, rigid peptides stabilized by multiple disulfide bonds, making them highly resistant to degradation, structurally precise, extremely selective. They are not random toxins. They are targeted molecular tools. Most potent venoms target the nervous system. Why? Because the nervous system is fast, and controlling it means controlling the organism. Neurotoxins interfere with voltage-gated sodium channels, potassium channels, calcium channels, acetylcholine receptors. These channels regulate action potentials, the electrical language of the body. When a venom toxin binds to a sodium channel, for example, it may lock it open, gives continuous depolarization, or block it entirely, gives paralysis. The result? Rapid neuromuscular failure. Some toxins shut down respiratory muscles within minutes. This is not brute force. This is molecular precision. Venom did not evolve in isolation. Predators evolve venom. Prey evolve resistance. Resistance leads to more potent toxins, which leads to stronger resistance. This evolutionary feedback loop has refined venom systems for millions of years. For example, certain snakes have evolved complex venom mixtures that include neurotoxins, hemotoxins, cytotoxins. Each component targets a different physiological pathway. The goal is redundancy. If one system fails, another ensures collapse. Evolution does not aim for cruelty. It aims for efficiency. Some of the most potent toxins are only 60 to 80 amino acids long, yet they bind with nanomolar affinity to ion channels. That level of specificity rivals pharmaceutical drugs. In fact, venom research has inspired modern medicine. Certain blood pressure medications were developed from snake venom peptides. Evolution, in many ways, was the original drug designer. Let's trace the path. Injection of venom, rapid diffusion into tissue, binding to membrane receptors or ion channels, disruption of cellular signaling, loss of neuromuscular control, respiratory or cardiovascular failure, all within minutes. A perfectly executed biological strike. Venom systems required specialized glands, delivery mechanisms, fangs, stingers, regulatory gene networks, controlled storage to prevent self-damage. This is not accidental chemistry. It is integrated biological engineering. Venom represents one of the clearest examples of how natural selection can optimize molecular function for lethal efficiency. Steel rusts, guns jam, but a perfectly folded protein, refined over millions of years, can shut down a nervous system with surgical precision. And that may be the most sophisticated weapon evolution ever built.